morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. How many people's in the stream today? Yo, what's going on? Can you hear me? Can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? Perfect. All right. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me let Instagram know I'm live trading. All right. Boom. We are live and we are active. Yo, banger trade last night. Yeah, that shit was dope as fuck. Let's catch another one. Guys, what am I seeing here? Let's start on the 1 hour. Everything I've taught y'all should know how to do this by now. Let's start on the 1 hour and let's determine a trend. High, low, higher high, sweep, perfect. High, low, higher high, sweep, sweep, perfect. High, low, higher high, sweep, perfect. We're continuing bullish. So what am I? Bullish. I do not want this low here to get swept. I don't want it. I am okay, however, with this low here being swept. What low is this? This is fine. I'm okay with that. I'm also okay with this 5-minute Timmy that we're about to get right now. Are we about to get a quick trade? I am okay with this 5-minute Timmy. Do we have news? No news today. This looks like AMD accumulation to manipulate lower. And we have a 1-minute FVG here. This could literally be our trade right now. We're getting a 5-minute Timmy out of this gap. This could literally be our trade right now. Let's see if we poked into discount. Draw from swing high to swing low. Boom, perfect. We poked into discount. This could genuinely be our trade right now. Just like that. Alrighty. Quick analysis. I know I did come to the market a little bit late. I came at 7:30 instead of 8, instead of 7. So that's why. But this could deadass be a trade right now. It's early, but it's not horrible. Oh, this is an early ass trade. Let's see. No, I'm not in yet. I'm waiting for a retest. I'm not quite in yet. Honestly, if we can get a retest of this 1 minute. All right, now I'm in. Let's see if we're gonna get cooked on this because it is a little bit of an early trade, but it looks great. Now I'm in. Targeting London highs. Have to be careful of this high here. If it runs this high, then we should get TP. This would be a quick scalp. I don't want to see this 1 minute here inversed. If that inverses, we're getting cooked. Yeah, I know you guys just joined, but we're already catching a banger. I know the live just started, but we're already catching a banger. Let's go. We're almost at a 1-to-1. If y'all are scared, you can go break even on this, but we caught such a dub last night. I am willing to take this loss. What you can do is you can start lowering risk. I'm gonna lower risk to like here. I'll really just get out once this 1 minute inverses to the downside. I'll get out. We just took out a key high. You can go break even, but I really think it'll stop you out at break even. So if you're scared, then you're scared. Because break even's way too close to our entry. But let's see. Had a nice, perfect sweep. Where could it retrace to if it wants to retrace right now? All the way to 0.5. So you want to put your stop loss somewhere down here so it doesn't tag you out. But it should at least give us London highs. Come on, we're very bullish. Yeah, it's ripping. I think it'll rip even higher. This would be such a quick stream. if we can hit TP this early. Oh my goodness. Come on, rip. Just a few more candles, gold. We still have this 1 minute here. If we're bullish, this 1 minute, excuse me. If we're bullish, this 1 minute here should hold for us. How does the 5 minute look? Yeah, this looks great on the 5 minute. This looks like great. 3 minute CISD. Yeah, I don't want to get tagged out at this. I'll take full loss on this. I'll take a full loss on this. Because this looks too good. I don't want to get tagged out at break even. So I'm not break even, guys. I'm willing to take a full loss on this. But y'all can go break even if you're not willing to. Like, this looks way too good. Wow, gold is getting kind of tough. Are we getting tough, guys? Okay, let me not jinx ourselves. Can I explain the entry? Yeah, I can. I started off on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we found our bias. Oh my goodness, it's ripping. On the 1 hour, we found our bias. Hold on. Are you gonna hold right now, gold? On the 1 hour, we found our bias. What's going on? Gold is clearly bullish, putting higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Okay, drop down to the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, this London low here is protected. Why? We put in a high, we put in a low, we put in a higher high, we came down and we swept out this low, and then we put in a higher high. Okay, so then we know our range is between this low and this high. Where is 50% of our range? Right here. We just tapped it, dropped down to the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame did what? We put in a sweep, and then on the 1 minute, we put in an inversion on the 1 minute. So our entry is here on this inversion, and that's break even. If you went break even, there's no way this trade's actually gonna lose, is there? We got so close to TP. Are you serious? Is it gonna, did XAU sweep it? No? Yeah, why is this dumping? I really don't want to see this 1 minute inversed. Okay, it didn't inverse. We're at 0.5% right now. Is this trade gonna lose? I want to see a bounce right now. We're also at what? Asia sessions high. Can you bounce for me, gold? If we get a bounce and we get another inversion over here, that's really good. And then you can show your stops to this low. No, we don't want to see that at all. There we go. Is this trade gonna lose, gold? Guys, I think this trade might lose. It was an early trade, but it wasn't bad at all. Why is it going to lose? 3 minute also inverse to the downside. Oh, we need like a miracle on this candle right now. I don't like the way the 3 minutes looking. It needs a crazy bounce right now. Do you want to do another sweep? Why though? There should be no need for another sweep. Like none at all. We shouldn't need it. Can we get a 1 minute CISD out of this? It'll make me feel a little bit better. Just a little bit better. I wouldn't think we're in the clear yet until we can get inversions back up. Come on, give me a CISD, please. It'll make me feel a little bit better. Struggling to clear Asia session high. Yeah. Today for sure has to be a quick scalp. For sure has to be a quick scalp. London highs and I'm out. There we go. Can we get the CISD, please? There we go. Can we get the inversion now as well? We're back at entry, guys. We're back at entry. Can we get this? Can we get the inversions as well? Okay, I like that. Based off of the way this candle closed, I don't want us to revisit these lows. If we revisit these lows, we might be cooked here. It shouldn't come back to these lows. There we go. I want to see all of this inversed. There we go. Keep going. Perfect. That's nice. Can we get the inversion, please, gold? Come on, clear this level. Clear it. Clear it. You have 2 seconds. Clear it. Nah, it's okay. We'll take it. Okay, now we have a 1 minute FVG in our favor. So we have a 1 minute order block. We have a 1 minute order block. We have a 1 minute FVG, and we have a 1 minute protected low. We don't have quite a 1 minute inversion yet. Hopefully this next candle will give it to us. And once we get that, we should be in the clear to come take out London highs. So I wouldn't move break even quite yet. I'll just throw my stops to this low. Once we clear this levels. Clear it, gold. Come on, 2 seconds. Boom, okay. Now we have an inversion back up. It should just go to TP. And again, gold could bullshit us because this is New York session. And New York session is... Yeah, I think gold will go to London highs first though. Gold might come for no wick candles. Let's see. I think it'll go to London highs first though. I like gold. It's been treating us nice. Remember, we have support. We have support here. We have support here. If it breaks through all of these to come take out these lows, more than likely it'll go to stop loss. Yeah, you control the stop. You control your stop loss to this low. This is the only safe low I see right now. Beautiful. This is just beauty. This is just beauty. Oh my God, this is so pretty. You're so beautiful, gold. CISD this. CISD this for me, please. Oh, beauty. Chef's kiss. Come on, CISD it. Oh, that sucks. I would like to say you can go break even, but knowing gold, I think you should just hold. We've cleared back this 3-minute inversion. I would like to say go break even, but the only thing I can say is trail to this low. Once we clear these highs, then you can go break even. But if we clear these highs, then we're right at TP. So then break even doesn't really matter. But as of right now, our break even still isn't safe. We have a 3-minute FVG here that if gold wants to be a little choppy, it'll come down and retrace into that before going higher. I hope it doesn't though, but it could. Definitely could. Dae, your analysis, especially during the trade, has helped me grow so much as a trader as my whole psychology game has changed. You're welcome. Code Dae at checkout. All of this is free for you, free for y'all. I don't know how long it'll stay free, but as of right now, it's free for y'all. Just support your boy. Support your boy. Hey, let's go, Alfredo. We do this every day. We do this every day. 2 sessions. I've used your code, Dan, buying all my Lucid accounts. I kid you not. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. It's the first time I've delved. I'm pretty sure you meant dived, but it's the first time I've dived into futures. Yeah, it's great. We're right there, gold. Just go give it to us, baby girl. Hopefully this is an early stream. I don't want to get chopped up here. It's retracing. Of course it is. Because gold never wants us to win without a fight. Of course it's retracing, but I think we'll be straight, guys. I think it will be straight. We got 2-minute FVGs in our favor. All of this. I would like to say you can go break even now. I think we should go break even. There's no reason to lose on this. If we lose on this, we're going to be upset. Look how close we are to TP. So go break even, guys. If gold is really bullish, it should go right now. But I don't want this to be like yesterday. Yesterday on my fundeds, I went break even on my fundeds here. On my eval, my entry was all the way down here, so I didn't get stopped out at break even. But on my fundeds, I waited for more confirmation. And then boom, look where it tagged us out at break even on fundeds. To the tick. Literally to the tick. It was so annoying. So I've noticed that about gold. Gold usually would like to retrace to break even. So it's like, if you don't mind eating a loss, leave your stops at this low, or even just leave your stops at the original stop loss. If you want to manage risk, you can go break even. If you want to just keep a small amount of risk, you can move your stop loss down to this low here. But let's see how gold wants to react. We're retesting this order block. I don't even want to see a 5-minute candle closure in this order block. Like, I don't want to see this at all. On the 3-minute, we still have a 3-minute FEG. If this 3-minute FEG inverses, that's when I'll get out. So that's my break even, this 3-minute FEG here. Do I think gold can give a short move after the high? Probably, but I wouldn't take it. Every short trade is a retracement. Like, yeah, gold is gonna like short. Like, we swept out these highs and it's shorted, but these are all retracements. The longs are always gonna be better for you. See, longs will always be better. Look how tiny the short is versus the long. Shorts will not be as good as longs. Doesn't mean you can't win on the shorts, but I'm not shorting gold in a very bullish uptrend. If gold fails to close below this 3-minute, that's a very good sign because we have a tiny 3-minute here. If gold can like reject and hold that in the next 30 seconds, that's a really good sign. But I know it wants this bigger one. It's kind of like gunning for it. I have 25 seconds, gold. Just reject, please. I don't like break-even trades. What time is it? 8 o'clock? I was like, why did it get so volatile? Why are you getting so volatile, gold? Whoa, 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 whoa. Come down there, partner. Slow down, partner. Slow down. This 3-minute that got inverse is giving it a problem. I'm letting you get to this 3-minute FEG, gold. But once you get here, you better behave. You better behave. I mean it. You can tap this 3-minute if you want, but you better behave after you do it. Hey, but I'll take this too if you give it to me. Yeah, guys, it's gonna gun for the 3-minute. Be prepared for that. It might tap break even, but I'm waiting to see if we get a candle closure. After the candle closure, if we get a candle closure, but it's very tiny, okay, we might not even get that. But if gold comes all the way back to entry and we get a candle closure beneath this 3-minute, the very next candle, I repeat, the very next candle has to like shoot back up or we're gonna get out. But I don't think we're even gonna get that. I think it's gonna go straight to TP now. W fucking trade. W's. Well, not yet. But I do want y'all to spam it once we hit it. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. You got to hit TP first. Not yet. Okay, we just took out this high. Don't let gold play with you. Start trailing. Don't let gold play with you, man. Start trailing. Start trailing. Trail, 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 trail. Do not let gold play with you. Do not let gold play with you. We're right at TP. Don't let it play with you. I'm telling you guys now. Come on, come on. Boom! That's TP. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Quick scalp. We're done. Quick scalp and 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 we're done. Gold has been getting quite easy to trade, man. Wow. Do y'all want me to stay on? This was a pretty early ass trade. Do y'all want me to stay on? We won't take any more setups, but we'll see if we can try and read this. This was beautiful. I do think gold will even go higher though, because we're just bullish. It's a matter of will it come sweep out some lows first and do all that fun stuff before going higher, but nice scalp. Nice little scalp, guys. Nice little scalp and we're done. Nice little scalp and we're done. Woo! I love when gold is trending, man. It's so much easier. So much easier. What's NASDAQ doing? Guys, like, we won way too quick. Won way too quick. What's NASDAQ doing? Downtrending. Let's go. Let's go. I love y'all, man. So now we can, I do want to stay on because it was early. This stream was 35 minutes. We woke up and made money in 35 minutes. We woke up and we made money in 35 minutes, guys. Oh my goodness, what a banger. What a banger, what a banger, what a banger, what a banger. Oh. Guys, do you see what it is that I'm trying to teach y'all? That this stuff works? Do you see what I'm showing y'all? How this stuff works? You're still holding? Yeah, I think this can go a hell of a lot higher. I think this can go a hell of a lot higher. This stuff works, man. Like analysis, you just come in on the 1 hour time frame, do your analysis. After you do your analysis, then, oh shit, I still have pending orders. Make sure I don't have no more pending orders. Asia session trade, London session trade, all dubs. I'm telling y'all, man, I know a lot of traders be out there bullshitting y'all, but the stuff I'm teaching y'all is the truth. I'm teaching you the truth. This is how to properly trade ICT. Don't just trade, oh, I trade session levels. We took this trade, it wasn't a session level. It wasn't a session level, but we targeted a session level. Don't just be robotic when you're trading. Do your analysis. And I even called this out yesterday. I said, Asia session just ripped. After we got this 1 hour close here on Asia session, after this liquidity sweep, I said London session was going to chop. What did London session do? What did London session do? Chop. Yeah, day trade. Yeah. What did London session do? Chop. What did New York session do? Absolutely magically fucking print. Use code DAY at checkout. Use it. Because if you use it, you will be passing your prop firm. Obviously, you have to trade properly with risk management. But look at that. Beautiful trade. Okay. For anybody who's new, do you all want me to trade NASDAQ? I will not be taking a position on it, but I can do analysis. Y'all want me to? Or do y'all want to go back to sleep and call it a day? You want me to look at NASDAQ? All right, let's look at NASDAQ. Just to let y'all know, I will not enter into a position, all right? So don't ask me if I'm in. I'll just call out what I see. I will not get in a position on NASDAQ. I'm already, okay. Let's use what I taught y'all, right? Let's look at NASDAQ. Let's use what I taught y'all. What's NASDAQ currently doing on the 4 hour? We've been uptrending massively, right? And we just broke this low to the downside, which this low, was this low protected? Was this low protected here? I wouldn't say it was, but it looks like it was. Okay. Okay, NASDAQ is in a short-term downtrend. Okay, let's draw our Fib2. Let's draw our Fib2. This is how to do analysis. Let's draw our Fib2 from the low to the high. Our Fib is telling us that gold can retrace NASDAQ can retrace all the way to this 4 hour FEG. Okay, that's what our analysis is telling us, that NASDAQ can retrace all the way to this 4 hour FEG. Okay, since we know NASDAQ can retrace all the way to this 4 hour FEG, right? And we're already in the downtrends, what should we be looking for? Okay, we should be looking for sells. Let's go on the 1 hour. Where's our protected highs and protected lows on the 1 hour? We have a protected high here that if we are bearish, price shouldn't take out this high. Why is this high protected, guys? It's as simple as down, up, down, up, down, sweep, lower low. Upon seeing this, which high here is protected? It's this one. This high here is protected. Why is this high here protected? Because this high is the high that swept out this low, that swept out this high here, and put in a lower low. break of structure. So this high is protected. So when we want to look for where to short from, or we can draw a fib from here to here and determine that the 0.5, 0.6 level is up here. Guys, are you seeing how to do what, like, are you seeing this? I'm genuinely giving y'all the sauce for free, like free of charge. So this high here is protected. If NASDAQ is bearish, just because a high is protected doesn't mean we won't go there. It means we won't go there if the direction you have predicted is correct. That's what it means. If gold is bullish, then obviously it'll take out this high. It's bullish. I mean, if NASDAQ, I keep saying gold because I mainly trade gold. If NASDAQ is bullish, then obviously it'll take out this high. But if NASDAQ is bearish, why is this high protected? I just explained it, man. I just explained it. Okay, look. Low, high, lower low. Well, no, let me do that again. Low, high, low, high, lower low, higher high. And then all the way down here for the sweep. My Discord asked with a pump. So since I know this high here is protected, I will draw my fib like this from this swing high down to this swing low. Where is the 0.5 level? 0.5 level is here. I don't even know what's there. I don't know if there's an Asia session high here. I don't know if there's a 15-minute FVG here. I don't know what's here. I know there's a 1 hour tiny little order block here. Okay, I drop down into the 15-minute time frame. Would you look at that? This level I just drew out is exactly where New York lunch low is. Since I know that's where New York lunch low is, what can I estimate for market open? Short. Okay, if that's literally, that's how you do it. If that's what we're estimating for market open, what do we want to see? We want to see all these highs here, all these lows here remain untapped. All of them. All these lows here remain untapped, perfection. So we can have price come up, sweep out London session high, tag our level into the 0.5, and then short down for these lows. So market open is happening in 15 minutes. That's what we're looking for during market open. So if market open opens and instead just dumps and continues dumping, we didn't get it. Our analysis was incorrect. That's how to trade without, oh, but Dae, we have equal highs all the way up here, blah, 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 blah. It's like, that will only occur if NASDAQ is bullish. NASDAQ is bearish, man. The only way we come to take out these equal highs here or here is only if NASDAQ is bullish. Why? Because this high is protected. You guys understanding my drift? Oh, man. Trading is fun when you're winning. Only when you're winning. Okay. What do we have here? That was on my funded. That was on some evals. Nice. 2 fundeds passed. Ah, very close to payout. Let's go. I need to step it up on my Lucid accounts. Them bitches is in drawdown. Give me 1 second, guys. Use that shit. Chance, nigga. Y'all understand? There we go. But the reason I repeat myself and I say it over and over and over and over again is because that's genuinely how it like registers in your head. That's genuinely how it'll register. Yeah, I was watching me some TJR. Y'all know why I watch TJR? I'm going to look at NQ. I'm not going to trade it though. I'm going to look at it. And gold can like, nah, I don't think gold will give us another entry unless it's a Timmy setup. Remember, on gold, this low should be protected if y'all want to take another continuation trade. But the New York session seems to be moving slow. I watch TJR because I need to learn his YouTube strategy. So I watch him to learn what he does with YouTube, with his YouTube strategy. Like, for example, this one, he invited a student to speak with him. So this helps with showing people he knows how to teach. My 750,000, this is a vlog. So he's showing lifestyle. This is a nurturing piece of content. Guys, social media is also a skill. Y'all don't know how hard, like when I respect this man, not even because of how good of a trader he is. I respect him because of how good of a marketing genius he is. Like, it's ridiculous. How to kill every limiting belief to get rich. This is nurturing. Okay, we're done with this. What's a Timmy setup as a recap? A Timmy setup is pretty much something like what just happened here. There's a fair value gap. Inside the fair value gap, price goes up, it retraces into the fair value gap, creates a higher high, comes down and sweeps that low in the fair value gap, gives an inversion. That's a Timmy. So a Timmy is best used for continuation models. Yeah, but I can't find trustworthy people. Like the people I've been working with, they just be taking my bread, bro. Real shit. They be taking my money. I haven't really found like trustworthy people to work with that won't finesse me. For example, let me show y'all some analytics. I shouldn't even be showing y'all this, but let me show y'all some analytics. Let's look at my content. I was working with these YouTube experts, right? They weren't bad, but they weren't bad. But look at my analytics. This is one of the videos they helped make for me. 288 views. This is another one they helped make for me. 461. This is one they helped make for me, but in reality, I made it myself. They just edited it. 700 views. Whenever I make it myself, they edit it. It gets better views than when they make it for me. because I know what y'all like. They don't. So I can't rely on them to come up with content ideas. It has to be me. Look, the free course that I did for y'all, 1,883 views because I made it. Day I left the sell order overnight on hold. I didn't even know it ripped. Now I'm down 300 on the eval. You get it back, gang. You get it back. This video, I made one trade a day for 5 days. I made that video, 616. So whenever I make my videos, they do a lot better than when they make it for me. So what am I paying them for? Like, what am I paying them for? It's like, I made this entire video myself. I just didn't know how to make a thumbnail. I really only need a thumbnail expert. Like, if somebody can help me with thumbnails, that would be great. Y'all apply for jobs, man. I'll pay y'all. But if you're not good, like, you leave as quickly as you came. You have like 2 videos max to show me that you're valuable. Okay, let's see if NASDAQ would do something. Remember, market open, we wanted to rip higher and then sell off. We wanted to leave all these lows here untapped, rip higher, and then sell off. Where do we want to sell off from? This 15-minute FEG right here. Do I currently make my own thumbnails? I don't even make thumbnails. I didn't make this. This thumbnail was from the video. Mike, which pair are you talking about? Are you talking about gold or NQ? Oh my God, I have bubble guts. Ew. But fuck, I gotta go use the restroom. I can't lie. Oh, fuck me. Ah. I meant the previous vids. Yeah, I had a YouTube marketing expert. Like, all these thumbnails were made with AI. Like, if y'all know how to make thumbnails using AI, like, look at this thumbnail. I'll be real. This thumbnail is freaking incredible. Like, look at this thumbnail. It's incredible. They made it with AI. I did not take this picture. It looks just like me, doesn't it? That shit looks just like me. Look at this thumbnail. This was made with AI. You can kind of tell on this one that it was made with AI. If you know how to use AI to make me good thumbnails like this, man, I'll hire you, bro. You can just be a full-time thumbnail maker. Look at these thumbnails. They were cooking. They were cooking, I'll be real. I'm not shitting on them or nothing. They just didn't give me much views. Like, the views they gave me, I got myself. And then guess what? This latest video I just dropped had the most likes on any video that they ever made for me. Because this video was genuinely good. If y'all haven't watched this video, like, I was very proud of this video. 47 likes. This is the most likes I've ever gotten in, except for my free course. My free course has a shit ton of likes because it has like 8,000 views or something like that. Like, we can filter from with views. Yeah, this is my most viewed video, about 8,000. And then obviously session liquidity model, 6.5K. I don't even know why I'm showing you all this. Look, YouTube doesn't pay me for shit. This is how you know I do all this shit for free. $14 on, and this is my highest viewed video. I don't make shit from YouTube. I don't make shit from YouTube. I agree. I appreciate the advice. Like, trading is hard, guys, but you have to give your mentors, hopefully I'm your mentor, but you have to give your mentors and all these social media guys credit. That shit is hard too, bro. That social media shit is hard. Getting loyal people to use your code is hard. Getting people to join your mentorship is hard. It's not like it's so easy. Like, okay, I'm gonna go sell a course too. It's like, go try. It's not like all that shit is hard, bro. Like, so that's why it's like, I'm like, bro, if you're not profitable, what makes you think you'll succeed in this shit? It's like, you won't. Like, all that shit is hard. You need to learn patience. You need to learn how to build teams. You need to learn how to master your emotions in business as well. You need to learn how to teach well. If I was a shit teacher, nobody would join my live stream or my course. I think I'm a pretty good teacher, but if I was a shit teacher, nobody would want to listen to me. I appreciate you, Jeffrey. I really do. Let's see what NASDAQ gives us. We have 2 minutes to market open. What's gold doing? I think gold is going to rip even higher. I can't lie. It's so bullish. It's so easy to trade gold when it's trending, guys. It's so easy to trade it when it's trending. It's so easy. You said maybe start flexing. I haven't made a video about it yet because I'm still waiting on a few items. I did cop me some shit. I did cop me some shit. Y'all boys gonna see. You're gonna see. You're gonna see. You're gonna see. Not too much. 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 Not too much on that. See, market open. I want this to rip on market open. Bro, where's my indicator? No. There we go. Bro, my indicator. No. No, 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 no. Fuck. God damn it. That's not what I wanted to happen. Fuck me, NASDAQ. But hold on though, guys. My indicator. It's not the same. I wouldn't long this here on NASDAQ, guys. I wouldn't long this at all. Just saying. Even if it works. Bro, what's up with this new indicator, bro? This is not how I wanted it. Fuck, I missed my old indicator. I just had it. No, where's the old indicator? I don't like this one. What the fuck do you mean runtime error? Hold on, guys. Bro, hold on. I'm not worried about none of that shit right now. Hold on. Where's my fucking indicator? What the fuck is this? This is not my shit. Bro, are they trying to patch me, bro? Where's my shit? Is this shit in fucking Chinese? Why the fuck is this shit in Chinese? Hey. Okay, this looks like my shit. Where's midnight open though? Okay, this looks like my shit. Okay. Okay. I think this is it. I think this is it. I'm gonna get back to trading, guys, but I need to fix this. 19, 1. The New York Open for me is at 7. 22 New York AM 8:30. Yes. Okay, all of this is right. I think this is it. No, this is not it. Yeah, hell no. That's not it. Asia is 22. Two, and then London is 228. Boom, there we go. There we go. No, the one I had starred, they changed it. They changed it. Look, this one here, they changed that shit. It's not the same. Look at it. What is all this shit? It's not the same. Hell no. Hell no. I don't remember using none of this. Hell no. Hell no. Okay, we're back. Let's see if we can catch another move today. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Okay, so we are still bearish. It looks like NASDAQ just went lower. I do not want to long this at all. If NASDAQ longs and goes higher, I'll still be looking to short up here. On gold, on the other hand, is definitely still bullish. Let's just see where it's rejecting from right now. No, it's good, guys. I got it situated. I'm all good. Let's see if gold can get to these highs, and it's currently rejecting from, I believe, this 1 hour FVG here. Yep, it's rejecting from this 1 hour. So keep that in mind. Well, you just got a 5-minute sweep. We're getting a 5-minute sweep here on gold. Might get another gold long. Like, I'll actually fuck around and try it. Well, like, I'm not going to take it because I'm done trading. I already took my dub today. It would be stupid. But we can just, like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If gold gives us opportunities to long, we long. Plain and simple. If gold gives us opportunity to long, we long. That's the game plan. You got a 1 minute right there. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. And it's ripping. Let's see if this works. This is another gold long entry if you want to take this one. This one's not as good as the first one, but this one's still pretty damn good. I did not take this, guys. In all honesty, I did not take this. But it does look decent. But I didn't take this, all right, guys? So don't say, hey, dang, you caught out a trade that you didn't take and we lost. What are y'all talking about here? Whew. And it's cooking us. Yeah, that was a little more forced. Let's see if it holds, though. Yeah, this one was a bit more forced. Can't lie. Should have waited for the 2-minute. Definitely a lot more forced. Yeah, definitely a lot more forced. Sorry, guys. Yee. Don't blame me. I wouldn't, if you're talking about a 3-minute short, I wouldn't do it. I still wouldn't short gold at all. Promise you that. What about NASDAQ? Oh my goodness, NASDAQ shorts just happened, but without us. Guys, I think this is the draw that it's running to. I think you call it a day now on NASDAQ for sure. Unless you get a pullback before this 4-hour taps. I think you call NASDAQ a day. Oh, come on. What's going on with my... I can't see my YouTube chat. All right, there we go. I see y'all. I think gold is definitely still bullish here. 2-minute CISD here would be great on gold. A 2-minute closure here would be good. You got to get the closure though. If we get a closure, you're getting a closure plus a break of structure. Got to get the closure. Ah, did XAU close? XAU closed. You can try this if you want. You can try this. XAU did close. You can try this. Let's make sure. XAU close. Yeah, it did. What about GC? Not quite, but XAU did close. You can try this. You can try this on gold. This will be my last call out, and then I'm done. It'll definitely give you at least these highs. Yeah, I'm on gold right now. I'm checking gold right now. If this fails, I'll be so surprised. Really, the best bet for your stop loss is just these lows down here. That's the safest spot. 100% safest spot. Oh. It failed to close above 2-minute. Yeah, on XAU it did. On XAU it closed. So if you want to wait for extra confirmation on this next 2-minute candle to close, then you can. I'm not taking any of these trades. I'm just chucking Hail Marys. But this sweep does look clean. There's no reason for us to come any lower because this leg took out all this trend line, and then we just took out this low here. So I don't see a reason as to why we should come back for this New York AM low. I really don't. So that's like my thought process / analysis on this. And it's getting cooked. Guys, let's take our dub and call it a day. I'm out, guys. I'm out, guys. Gold is now tripping. Yeah. We took our dub. We won. Nah, we're done. Let's call it. Let's call it a day. We're done. I appreciate y'all joining the stream. We took a dub. I didn't take any other trades after this, and I'm glad I did it. That would have been very unwise. This is how you give back profits, guys. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you tuning in. Asia session tonight, and I'll catch y'all boys later tonight. Peace. Code DAY at checkout. If you love everything I do for y'all, use code DAY at checkout. Apex, Lucid, or Blue Guardian. Peace out.